I am making bacon and egg omelette, and if you're willing to eat breakfast fit for a king or queen, this is the recipe for you. Also, I have other breakfast recipes listed in the description box down below. You can check them out. So, as I've said, we're making omelette. So I have bacon. I'm going to slice my bacon into bits. I don't want to fry the entire thing, the entire bacon. So I'm going to arrange my bacon in a single layer, like that. So I'm going to cut in bits like this. Yeah, just like so. Then place a pan on medium flame. Add cooking oil, just a little bit to fry the bacon. Then I'm going to wait for the oil to get hot a little bit. And I'll add my bacon in the pan. So this is a very fast recipe. So as my bacon cooks, I'm going to chop up my tomato. I'm using one small tomato. So this is breakfast for 2 people, or you can keep the entire omelette for yourself. So you cook your bacon to what you like. I like mine a little bit crispy. I'll transfer the tomatoes in a plate. So it's been like 1 minute and the edges of the bacon are starting to crisp up. So next I'm going to pick a bowl and add my eggs. I'm using 4 eggs. So this is what I always do with eggs. And my last egg. Next, I'm going to add seasoning to my eggs. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'll use my whisk and whisk the seasoning and the eggs together. So you want to incorporate as much air into the egg as possible, so you whisk it, just whisk it. So this is how my bacon is looking so far. It has crispened up. I'm going to transfer this to a plate with a paper towel just to drain the excess oil. I'm going to use the same oil in the pan from the bacon, so it's bacon grease actually. I'm going to use the same oil to make my omelets. So I'll add this to my pan. Yum. Then as the omelette cooks, you're going to bring the sides of the egg in the inside. Then at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of tomatoes, not so much. And the bacon, I like it crunchy. So what you're doing, you're putting your ingredients on one side of the omelette. Then I'll wait for my egg to cook on the bottom side. Then I'm going to fold over my egg. It's looking amazing. As my egg is cooking, I'm going to be slicing up a cucumber. I like including vegetables in my breakfast. So good, and it's chilled. So my omelette is ready. I'm going to switch off the gas and I'll transfer this to a plate. It's smelling amazing. Then I'll place my cucumber on the side. This plate is looking wonderful and delicious, and the egg is fluffy, as you can see. Oh my god, I'm salivating. So I hope you make yourself this breakfast, and if you enjoy watching my videos, like don't forget to like. So I'm going to have my omelette with a cup of tea, and I will surely enjoy. So make yourself some bacon and egg omelets.